Okay, so let us talk about voice. Module 9, voice in OpenClaw, and look, this one is genuinely fun once it clicks. OpenClaw exposes voice through three different surfaces. Three of them, voice wake, talk mode, and OpenAI Realtime. Each one solves a slightly different problem. And in this lesson, I just want to give you the high-level shape of all three before we go deeper. So, first one, voice wake. Voice wake is wake word activation. You speak a configured word or a phrase. The agent activates. You speak your request. The agent responds, like saying, "Hey Siri" or "Alexa." But for OpenClaw, the wake word listening that happens on a node with a microphone. Typically a macOS menu bar node or an iOS or Android companion node. We cover nodes in detail in Module 10, so do not worry if node sounds a bit fuzzy right now. Second one, talk mode. Talk mode is sustained voice conversation. Once activated, the microphone stays open across multiple turns. You speak, the agent responds. You speak again. No need to re-trigger. The conversation flows like a phone call, honestly. Really useful for cooking, for driving, for accessibility scenarios where typing is just not practical. Third one, OpenAI Realtime. This one is in-browser voice. You open the control UI in your browser, you click the voice button in the chat panel, your browser microphone connects to OpenAI Realtime over WebRTC. The agent hears you, responds with very low latency. The gateway brokers, the authentication, and relays tool calls. Three surfaces, three slightly different shapes. Let me say that one more time because it matters. Voice wake, that is for hands-free ambient activation. Always listening but only acts when called. Talk mode, that is for sustained conversational use. Active mode, mic open until you exit. OpenAI Realtime, that is for in-browser voice. From a screen with a microphone. Now, configuration shape. The top-level talk key in your configuration governs talk mode. Voice wake is configured at the node level under the node settings. Realtime is configured under the gateway web settings. Three different homes for three different surfaces. Provider support. OpenAI Realtime is the most common provider for the real-time path. ElevenLabs is supported for talk mode TTS output. MLX for local synthesis on Apple Silicon native macOS speech as a fallback. And you can plug in custom providers via plugin. A practical note, none of the voice surfaces work without a microphone. So voice wake on a server with no audio hardware, that is a no-op talk mode on a headless Linux box, also a no-op. The real-time path needs a browser with microphone permission, so plan accordingly. Another practical note, voice features are opt-in, they do not run by default. You enable them by configuring the relevant settings. So if you are not using voice, none of this is on, and you do not pay any of the costs that come with audio capture. Alright, in the next lesson, we go deeper into voice wake. See you there.